Njahi Mutaburuko wa nyaki
Maya ni mamwe maria tukuharireirie thiini wa mutaburuko wa mohoro utuku wa umuthi.
Nairobi County led with the number of killings.
Mutahika gwekwanirira kurugamia uhuthiri wa ndawa. Mutahika gwekwanirira kurugamia uhuthiri wa ndawa mithemba 50 cia kurana na tugunyo na tutambi twa mimera guku bururi-ini ikirikana ni ugwati kuri andu o undu umwe na mimera.
The government of Kenya is committed to making sure that those perpetrators will be brought to book.
Na Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen kuga ni mahotete gutashukia makinya uthuthuri-ini wa gikuo kia mubunge wa Kasipul Charles Ong'ondo Were uria warathiirwo barabara-ini ya Ngong Road kiumia kihituku. Amukira ngeithi mwirereri wa Kameme TV haria hothe uranyamukira uri utuku wa umuthi ni mahinda mangi turanyitanira thiini wa mutaburuko wa mohoro njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani mwathiri na njira ciiko ni Nyambura wa Wamusha. Na tukiambiriria ni ati county cia Nairobi, Kiambu na Migori nicio ciari na namba nene cia ikuo iria ciaumanire na mirurungano ya Gen Z mwaka muhituku, na one kuringana na riboti ya uthuthuria wa gikundi kia Missing Voices iria yonanitie andu 104 nio makuire moko-ini ma maabitha a borithi riria angi 55 morire na njira iri na kiriga. Gikundi giki oho ni giukirire honge itiganite cia thirikari gikiuga ona thengia ya ekwirwa ciiko ici gukorwo magikurikana gutire ikinya matacukeirio kuona macira maria mahanditwo igoti-ini kwa hinda riri ona matikinyite gicunje kia 2% gia ciiko iria ciagerirwo.
Namba ya andu aria maku
gikundi giki oho ni giukitie
na namba ya andu aria moragirwo ni maabitha a borithi.
Nairobi County led with the number of killings at 38, followed by Kiambu 9, Migori 6, Kakamega 5, Nakuru 5, Makueni 4 and Uasin Gishu 4.
Thengia ya uthuthuria uria ukoretwo gitafanio ni honge itiganite na amwe aikuirwo gukurikana gutire ikinya riria tacukio. Ruhonge rwa guthurima riboti ya uruti wira wa maabitha a borithi IPOA rukiuga ni runeanite fairo 22 kuri wabici ya munene wa thitango cia muingi.
Have been completed and is actually a files with DPP for murder, for manslaughter against police officers, and so it's up to the DPP now to fast track
kuri wabici ya munene wa thitango cia muingi.
Require a lot of training on how to handle some of the situations that they find themselves in. They must bear in mind that the Constitution guarantees picketing.
Haduine ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.
Tukirora riboti igi gicunje kia 41 hari igana kia Kenya marendo ria wari
former registrar at the Supreme Court, followed by Charles Nyachai in that vetting process.
Ciĩgiĩ wĩigĩrĩrĩku wa gĩthurano gĩũkĩte kĩa mwaka wa 2027. Ũthuthuria ũyũ wonanĩtie gĩcunjĩ kĩa 50 harĩ igana kĩa Akenya matirĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ gĩthurano kĩu gĩgakorwo kĩrĩ kĩa ũma na waragania. Makĩringithanio na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 20 harĩ igana kĩa Akenya arĩa marĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ gĩthurano kĩu gĩgakorwo kĩrĩ kĩa ũma na waragania.
The higher proportions of people who think that none of the last 3 presidential elections
ya IEBC gũtabania wĩra wayo na njĩra ya waragania. Harĩ gĩcunjĩ kĩa 36 harĩ igana kĩa Kenya makĩringithanio na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 21 harĩ igana kĩa Kenya arĩa marĩ na mwĩhoko na ũiguano ũyũ. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.
Ani kana kiama kia arutani ya secondary KUPPET nikireganite na riendekithia ria thirikari ria kwenda kwehereria arutani aria makoragwo kundu kuria gukoragwo kugumirwo ni mori
nyare mari na mwihoko na wiguana uyu.
Furahia sana wajumbe walimwambia kwamba walete hiyo policy waweze Furahia sana wajumbe walimwambia kwamba walete hiyo policy waweze kuiangalia kabla iweze kupitishwa. Lakini na sisi kama chama tunamwambia haipeleke kwa public participation, iweze kuangaliwa na wananchi wa kawaida ili tujue ni kwamba anafanya nini. Na pia hardship za walimu hazikupatikana kwa njia rahisi ya kuchora mipaka vile size inachorwa. Jameni, mtusikilize. Hardship za walimu zilipatikana kutoka kwa agitation ya walimu, kutoka kwa migomo ya walimu, na kutoka ile majukumu fulani ambao walimu walienda kotini na wakaweza kupewa hizi hardship area. Kwa mfano, kuna legal notice number 534 ya 1998 kutoka kwa agitation ya walimu, kutoka kwa migomo ya walimu, na kutoka ile majukumu fulani ambao walimu walienda kotini na wakaweza kupewa hizi hardship area. Kwa mfano, kuna legal notice number 534 ya 1998. Mbia haya maneno wakati moja, huwezi badilisha sheria na policy. Hardship za walimu, unlike hardship za watu wengine, ni sheria.
Haria ongodo aratheirwo.
We have made very significant progress in arresting the perpetrators and their collaborators, and it will shock you to note that this is a very heinous crime that was done in a very cavalier manner, involving people that ordinarily some should have taken good care of the interests of the Member of Parliament. And so in the process, we want to affirm that the government of Kenya is committed to making sure that those perpetrators, some which have been arrested and others, their collaborators who will be arrested anytime soon, will be brought to book. They will be an example. Their discipline will be an example. Their punishment will be an example to anyone who thinks that they can run away from the law and who thinks that they can hide from such crimes. I think that the manner in which the police were able to pick very quickly those who are improving on our security systems to protect every citizen, including those who are in office.
Na mwireri mwende hau ni tugwikirira gaturumo mohoro maitu muthenya wa umuthi, tondu muthenya wa umuthi ni muthenya wa mwanya ni riria station ya Kameme TV enyitanagira na K24 niguo gukurehera ndereti itiganite. Muthenya wa umuthi ndereti igirongoreria maundu megie mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu, na thiine wa studio gugutigira moko-ini ma Leader Kosgei na mundu gwitwo